20 years, people must go to school. Children must go to work.
Yes,
Money that I want.
and to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Where Batandi Bonkosi, not Mihlali Ndamase, admitting to have beaten Musa Khawula up. Musa posted on his Twitter account saying, Batung, look at Mihlali Ndamase at the 2023 Durban July, acting as if she did not beat me up at Leroy Sitambe's office the day before yesterday. Helang, Musa, what were you doing at Leroy's office from the first place? But Mkosi, do you all remember last year when Musa used to call Mihlali Ndamase all kinds of names, more especially about her and Leroy Sitambe? Hi, Bo. Musa, I wonder what's going to leading to Mihlali beating you up. I can't, but Mkosi, I'm not laughing. One thing about Musa Khawula, he will admit when he is defeated. He will admit when he has been beaten up. He won't lie. He won't put a filter on it. He will say, you? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one.